What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. We're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna stay away from the slow cooker for once. I know, big surprise. And we're gonna make a high protein snack that goes really well with the butter chicken video that came out last week. We're gonna make some vegan samosas. You know what to do already as well. Hit that thumbs up button. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell and you can keep on getting more amazing content. Right, so this is everything you're gonna need. We've got some corn pieces here, 300 grams, we're gonna use the whole bag. We've got 170 grams of peas, one red onion. We're gonna use about 180 grams of potato, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and half a tablespoon of cumin. We're gonna use some chopped coriander. It's just better to use fresh. And then what we're going to use for the pastry, we're going to use some of this filo pastry. So I think there's about 15 sheets in here. So we'll see how much we use when we come to the end of it. Alright, now you chopped everything up and the oven is preheated to 200 degrees. We're going to get some low-fat oil here, spray that pan, and we're going to saute some onions. And in with the onions, you just want to add your corn pieces. Okay, I'm adding the whole bag here. We're going to cook them off for about 12 minutes. So it's time to add the spices, and we're going to make this dish dance a little. So we got our garam masala here, just the 1 tablespoon. We got our cumin, 1 tablespoon of that. Boom. And then we got half a tablespoon of cayenne just to give it a little kick. Alright, now add your coriander to it. Unless you think the shit tastes like poison, then don't add it. But it's up to you. Gives it a nice green little fucking look. Then just give the spices a little mix in with everything. Just look at that colour, looks fucking beautiful. And I spill everything everywhere. But don't do that because you want to eat it. We let that cook a little bit extra. What I'm just going to do now is just break up this corn pieces a little bit, just so they're in smaller chunks. So what you want to do, just get your whatever utensil you're using and chop down. And finally now this is all cooked off, smaller pieces, take it off the heat. And turn the camera around so you can actually see it, otherwise there's no point. And I just add the peas in and add the potatoes. Boom, boom, boom. And then a little cracked pepper. And a little cracked salt. Again, that's optional. It's just, I like seasoning. If you don't, you're a fucking weirdo, to be honest. And then we'll just give it a nice mix in. And that will be our filling. So now we just need to make these bad boys. So you just want to cut your filo pastry down so you kind of got a rectangle. Obviously do a better job than I'm doing, but it's sort of like that. With some low calorie cooking spray, just spray one side of the filo, and we're going to stick one on top of the other, just like that. So this is probably the hardest part of the whole recipe, but it's very, very simple. So what you want to do is just grab this corner by here, fold it over, then we're going to grab the opposite corner at the top there, and just bring it over like that. Kind of creates a straight edge there, and then you just want to pick a hole in there, and we're just going to bring it over just like that. Kind of creates a little pocket for you. And then we just want to grab a couple of teaspoons of the mixture. I'm just going to put these inside here. And then a quick little spray on top. just like that. And then we can just bring this other side over, and that'll just stick like that. And we just keep on repeating that until we've created them all. So now you've made all your pockets, the time to go in the oven. I'm gonna put them in the oven just till the pastry cooks, which should be about 10 minutes. Oh, these bad boys are done! Look at them, they look absolutely spectacular. And I just burnt my knee on the oven, so be careful, guys. Ooh, and there you have it. Look at that, absolutely amazing. Absolutely massive. Like, look at them. They're an amazing snack. Go well as a side dish. You can literally eat them on the go. What more do you want? So you guys keep on asking for it, so I'm gonna give it to you for once, but we're gonna actually do a live taste test. Now, I know they taste amazing, so you have to make them yourself to find out, but ready for the crunch? They're amazing. But leave them cool because that's friggin' hot. So macros in these, just like all my other ones, are spectacular. That's why you need to do these. They're nice and big, they're full of fiber, they're full of protein. So they're gonna keep you full and satiated throughout the whole day. So let's get to it. They've got 110 calories. This is per one now, on both sides of them. 110 calories, 7 grams of protein, 2 grams of fat, and 16 grams of carbs. Don't have to say any more really, that is spectacular. And obviously these are vegan, so they're very high in fiber as well. Oh, going everywhere, they're a little bit flaky. But you know what to do. Another amazing video. You have to try these with the butter chicken as well. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, and I'll see you next week.